Oh, hi guys, how are you? It's been a while. Anyway, I'm vlogging today. I'm cooking. I'm utilizing my leftover spaghetti sauce and my Filipino hot dog, and I'm going to use it so it doesn't get waste. And since I have bell pepper and onion, all I need is the chili sauce and the pinto beans. Actually, this is a red beans. All right, and we are going to make it. All right, let's start. And I actually, guys, this red beans is already cooked. I got it from the can, and the can that I use has no salt. The red beans have no salt in the can, since we don't need a lot of salt because the hot dog is salty enough, and the spaghetti sauce already have salt in it. So you don't need to add extra salt, guys. Salt is not good for you. I am aware now of what I'm doing, what I'm cooking, since I have my health issues. All right, and let's just cover that for now. All right, let's open it up. And this is the hot dog that I bought from the Asian store. Juicy hot dog. And I put a little bit of those here for flavor. That's my leftover hot dog. And now we are going to put my spaghetti sauce. So you have to eat your spaghetti sauce within 1 or 2 days. No more than 3 days, because it's going to get spoiled. So no waste. You have to use all of it. Make a chili. Make a chili. And this is going to be delicious. Isn't it awesome? Look, it's colorful. And let's simmer that for a little bit. Oh no, before we forget, I have this, guys. It's the William Original chili seasoning. Before I use a different kind, but this time I am aware of what I'm cooking now. Make sure when you buy, you have to see no salt added. It's just no salt added, zero sodium, no MSG, no fillers, no preservative, no artificial flavor, and no artificial color. It's just normal. They called it at chili corn. No, not chili corn, chili seasoning. And I bought that at Walmart. So I just put directly to it's overpowering the chili. So since I cannot eat spicy anymore because it hurts my stomach, what I'm going to do is I just put little by little. I'm not putting everything, guys. I'm not putting everything, and then I will taste it, what it tastes like, to see if good enough. Smells delicious already. All right, let me taste it. Easy, simple leftover chili from leftover spaghetti sauce and hot dog. So just, if you don't like bell peppers, you don't have to put bell peppers. You can use rice and beans as well. Okay, let's try it. It tastes delicious. But you need to put a little bit more to taste the chili flavor. But it's good, guys, because you don't need to put a lot of salt. And then if you want spicy, you can just add spicy. I will show you in a little bit. And let's just simmer that more in just about 3 minutes. Ooh. So make sure you lower your heat, because you don't want your chili to stuck in the pan. Oh. All right. This is just quick and simple recipe using leftover spaghetti sauce and hot dog. You don't have to put hot dog if you don't like. Anyway, let's try it again. Alright, here you go. My thing is done, but for final touch, I use Sargento sharp cheddar cheese. This is yum. And I'm using my hand, guys. There you go. And using spicy sauce for people that use spicy. This is plain, this is spicy. And serve it with spiced crackers or any kind of crackers, guys. Any kind of crackers. This is really And voila!